In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut is now working in Snipping Sketch or Snipping Tool. Now all you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu, typing apps or typing settings. Now go ahead, click on Open. After that, just go ahead to the left side, click on Apps. Then go to the right side, click on Installed Apps. After that, just go ahead, click on the Search Apps menu, then type in Snip, S-N-I-P, then go to the right of it, click on the three dots. Then click on Advanced Options, and after that, just scroll down. Until you find Repair, click on the Repair button, then just give it a couple of seconds to repair by itself. After that, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on Reset to reset the app, then just give it a moment as well. The app will reset by itself. Then if it's not working again, all you have to do is to go ahead to the left side on Settings, then just click on System. After that, just scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, then click on Clipboard. So after you access the Clipboard settings, make sure the Clipboard history is turned on. And after that, if you are surfacing problems, click on the Accessibility tab, then scroll down until you find Keyboard. Just make sure use the print screen key to open screen capture is turned on. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.